Hello friends, welcome to today's class. Today we will try to solve some important 3 marks problems on trigonometry. So here we have example number 1. Prove that cos A by 1 minus tan A plus sin A by 1 minus cot A equals to sin A plus cos A. This is KSCEB solved question paper Jan 2015 question paper sum. So here let me take the LHS part, that is cos A by 1 minus tan A plus sin A by 1 minus cot A. So here cos A by 1 minus tan A is nothing but sin A by cos A. And cot A is cos A by sin A. Let me substitute this. Tan A is sin A by cos A plus sin A divided by 1 minus cot is cos A by sin A. Now cos A divided by, let me take the LCM for this denominator. Cos A is LCM. Cos A minus sin A plus sin A by, sin A is the LCM, sin A minus cos A. So now this cos A will go to numerator and this sin A will go to numerator. That is cos A into cos A is cos square A divided by cos A minus sin A plus sin A into sin A is sin square A divided by sin A minus cos A. Now here we have denominator is cos A minus sin A. Here sin A minus cos A. If you take a minus is common factor, so this will become cos A minus sin A. So then we can take LCM easily. Now cos square A divided by cos A minus sin A. Now here minus I will take in the denominator common factor, that is sin square A by, so the denominator will become, see this cos A minus sin A, that is minus into cos A minus cos A minus into minus plus sin A. So now you can take a denominator, again the LCM is cos A minus sin A. And we have the numerator is cos square A minus sin square A. So now this is A square minus B square, that is A plus B into A minus B. So this formula I can apply for this, that is cos A plus sin A into cos A minus sin A divided by this denominator is cos A minus sin A. So now cos A minus sin A will get cancelled. So remaining is cos A plus sin A. So this is RHS, that is sin A plus cos A or cos A plus sin A. This is example number 2. Prove that sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta equals to 2 cosecant theta. This is KSCEB solved question paper Jan 2014 question paper sum. So here also let me take the LHS part, that is sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. So now here I'll take the LCM, that is 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Now it will become sin square theta plus 1 plus cos theta the whole square. So now this is equal to sin square theta plus, this is a plus b whole square. A is 1 and b is cos theta. 1 plus 1 square is 1 plus b square is cos square theta plus 2ab is 2 cos theta into 1. So now this remaining denominator is 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Now here sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So that I can write, instead of sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and this one write it as it is, and plus 2 cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Now this becomes 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 cos theta, and denominator 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. So now 2 you can take the common factor, so 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. So now 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta will get cancelled. So we have 2 by sin theta. So that is 2 into 1 by sin theta. So that equal to 2 into cosecant theta. The reciprocal of sin is cosecant theta. So this is RHS. This is, here we have example number 3. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So this is KSEB solved question paper number 4, Jan 2015. So that is LHS part will take 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is equal to 1 minus tan square theta, you can write sin square theta by cos square theta, whole divided by again 1 plus tan square, again you can write sin square by cos square theta. So now let me take the LCM, cross multiply this, cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta. Now this will become cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta. Now cos square will get cancelled. Now cos square theta minus sin square theta by, we can write cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. That is by using the trigonometric identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. You can use this. Now here we can take cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So this result I can use for this. Here we have cos square. So instead of cos square I can write 1 minus sin square theta here. And remaining minus sin square theta, write is as it is. So now it becomes 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta minus sin square theta is minus 2 sin square theta. So this is equal to RHS. This is example number 4. 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta minus 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta equals to 4 cot theta into cosecant theta. So this is KSEB solved question paper 4, that is Jan 2015 question paper sum. So here take the LHS. So that is 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta minus 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So here we'll take the LCM in the denominator, that is 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So the numerator will become 1 plus cos theta the whole square minus 1 minus cos theta the whole square. So now this is a plus b whole square and this is a minus b whole square form. Now you know well a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So let me write this in the form of a plus b whole square, that is 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta minus, open the bracket, this is 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta. So divided by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So now 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. So multiply with minus 1 minus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. So whole divided by, this is 1, this is a minus b into a plus b form, that is a minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So that is 1 minus cos square theta. So now here plus cos square theta minus cos square theta, plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled, and remaining is 2 cos theta plus 2 cos theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. This is equal to 2 cos theta plus 2 cos theta is 4 cos theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So now this you can write 4 into cos theta by sin theta into 1 by sin theta. We can write in this form. So now that equal to 4 into cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. So reciprocal of sin is cosecant theta. So this is RHS part. Here we have one more interesting example, that is, so we have to prove that tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 equals to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So you know well the trigonometric identity secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So we'll remember this. Now write the LHS in the given example, that is tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta plus minus secant theta plus 1. So here tan theta plus secant theta minus, in the place of 1 I can replace secant square minus tan square. So in the place of 1 I will write secant square theta minus tan square theta. So in the denominator write it as it is, tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now this will become tan theta plus secant theta minus, this is a square minus b square form, that is a plus b into a minus b. So let me use this in this form, that is secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. So whole divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So now in the numerator, tan theta plus secant theta, here also tan theta plus secant theta, we can take a common factor. That is tan theta plus secant theta. If you take a common factor, here the term came out, so 1, this minus, and in this part, here secant theta plus tan theta is already out, so the remaining is secant theta minus tan theta. So divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So now tan theta plus secant theta into 1 minus, this multiplied with minus, secant theta minus into minus plus tan theta. So divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So see, now here 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta. So it will get cancelled. This term will get cancelled. So remaining is tan theta plus secant theta. So now this you can write that tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. Now cos theta is a, you can take the LCM. So in the numerator you can get, you can write sin theta plus 1. So this is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So this is RHS. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So friends, that's all about today. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.